This is an internet demonstration of the State of Michigan Emergency Alert System. What you currently see on your computer monitor would actually appear on local television stations across the state of Michigan. WKAR is the primary station for the State of Michigan Emergency Alert System. However, should an emergency occur for which a public warning must be broadcast, listen for official messages following the alert tone and take any necessary actions to protect yourself. To play this message again, please click the Emergency Alert System symbol in your internet browser with your mouse.